Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, we are going to understand the concept of tax calculation and configuration in Jainam Software. We will see how tax calculation and configuration is done automatically based on state, a service provider and service consumer. Now, integration of charges and taxes is done at three levels in Jainam Software. One is the company level, one is the branch level, and one is the product scheme level. So you do it at the company level when you don't have any branches in different states, okay? Or you don't want to add any charges or taxes at the scheme level, and you want to follow. You have one particular, say, 2% processing fees and 99% GST, CGST and SGST applicable throughout the company. Okay, in that case you use at the company level. So here in ledger create, sorry, not in create, in add to favorite, here you will see you can add the different charges, document charges, um, or processing fee, and then here at the same place you can have CGST, SGST, IGST configured at this level, and then it'll be the same across entire company. But say you don't want to do it at the company level, so you want to do it at the branch level. So for the branch level, in master setup branch hierarchy, I've set up a I've set up my hierarchy this way. Say head office is in India, one branch is in Maharashtra and another is in Karnataka. At Maharashtra level, I have configured this way. So I've taken document charges 5%, okay, CGST 8%, SGST 8%, and IGST 18%. Now here what I've done is this, I'll just show you. IGST, I'm just going to, okay, say, okay, let me delete IGST and just show you. Now CGST and SGST, the state identification code is 27, because this is for Maharashtra, right? State code for Maharashtra is 27. So CGST and SGST tax identification code will be 27. But for IGST in Maharashtra, it will be, because see, if customer belongs to any other state other than Maharashtra, then the code will be this way, like IGST, say IGST 18%. And now because we are doing the configuration for Maharashtra, here it will be this way, okay? Because as I said, the customer, if he belongs to any other state other than Maharashtra, so here we have configured IGST. Okay, one thing we forgot is, one minute, one thing we forgot is to click on tax applicable. So if you don't click here, then what's going to happen is tax is not going to be applicable for the charges. Okay, now it is tax applicable. See, here it is taxable. So here this is for state Maharashtra and this is for state other than Maharashtra. Okay, now we are going to close this and check the configuration for Karnataka. Now if you see the configuration for Karnataka, IGST is applicable for all states other than Karnataka. So what I have done is, here for SGST and CGST, I have mentioned the state code 29, that is for Karnataka, and IGST 18%, I have added the state code 27, 28, 30, because it is applicable for all states other than Karnataka. So let's see how this works when when you give the loan or when you disburse the loan. Now let's create a product scheme. Here I'm just creating a 100-day scheme. Rate of interest 0.15. This is, sorry, daily and for 100 days. So let me just go ahead and create this scheme here. Now if you want to add any other charges, or if you want to add charges and taxes at the scheme level, you can just do configure your ledger from here. But as of now, I have not configured anything because I don't want it at the scheme level. I want it at the branch level. Okay. So now let's go ahead and create two customers to see the effect of those charges that are added. So I'll select um, a area in Maharashtra, customer MAHA, okay, because this is customer in Maharashtra. Under location, I will put state code 27. Okay, I will save this. Now I am going to create another customer in Karnataka. Okay, so I will take Bangalore area, okay, and then I will say customer care Karnataka. Okay, okay. Do not forget to put here the state code. Okay, that is how the system is going to identify the customers, and that's how the charges and the taxes will be applied. Now, okay, now if you just check, you will see that both the customers are available here. So here this is customer Karnataka KR and this is customer Maharashtra MAHA. Now, to check the effect of this, first of all, we have to be in appropriate branches. Okay, so right now my branch is in, I'm working in, my current working branch is Maharashtra. So let me select the customer in Maharashtra. Okay, so now here is my customer. So I'm going to give loan. Okay, I select the scheme. Okay, first of all, if you go down, you will see document charges, CGST and SGST is applied appropriately. Now I'll just enter the amount 10,000. Okay, so 5%, right? Document charges 5% of 10,000, 500, and on 500, 99% CGST and SGST is applied correctly. Now suppose, okay, let's do this. I'm going to calculate and save this. So pay amount is 9,420 because out of 10,000 it's deducting 580. Now I'm going to save this. Now same customer, okay, customer, see you are in state Maharashtra, okay, and you're giving the loan for the customer in Karnataka. Okay, so what should happen is the effect is only IGST should be visible at this point of time. Okay, so I select the scheme. If you go down, it's working correctly. It's showing only IGST. Now I put 10,000. Okay, now 500 and 18% of 500, that is 90, which is correct. Now I'm just going to calculate. Pay is 9410 and save this loan. Similarly, let me now change the state to Karnataka. Sorry, not state, branch. My current working branch to Karnataka. So now I am working in Karnataka branch. So first let me go and give a loan for customer in Karnataka branch. Okay, here is Karnataka. So when I click on loan, it should show CGST and SGST. So loan scheme, if you see, SGST, CGST, and we had configured it as processing fee. So it's showing correctly. So now I just say 10,000, and here if you see 2% I had configured. So 2% of 10,000, 200, and 18, 9%, 18. So it's working correctly here also. Now I'm going to calculate. This is pay and save this. Now you are in branch Karnataka and you are giving a loan for customer in Maharashtra. In this case, what is going to happen? Only IGST 18% is going to be calculated on processing fee. So here I'm just going to select the scheme, say 10,000, and if you go down, it is showing correctly. Processing fee 200, IGST 36 rupees. Same way, 236 will be deducted and paid to the customer. Calculate 9764, save. So friends, this way, you know, taxes are calculated and configured at different levels in Jainam software. So friends, we are coming up with lots of new features in Jainam software. So please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.